it's Tom with Wood Grain, and today we're going to talk about molding buildups. Remember, it's always a great day in the millwork business. So today we're talking about molding buildups. Let me start with an easy one, base molding. So in your house, you have base molding. Typically, you're going to find a quarter round or a base shoe at the bottom. So if you want to add some visual interest, take a piece of doorstop, apply it to the bottom of the base, just like you would a quarter round. What it does is it adds a little depth and a little visual interest to your base molding. So the next one is, in a lot of houses, you're going to have 2 1/4 casing. So you want to dress up your casing, but you don't want to rip it all out. Take a piece of back band and then simply apply the back band to the back of the casing, and it once again will leave you a nice shadow line and some visual interest for your molding. So my favorite is the crown. Take a piece of base molding, install it around the room, and then use it as a base for your crown molding installation. And what it does is it adds depth and mass to a nice simple crown installation. If you have questions, I know it's a lot of information, go to our website, www.woodgrain.com, for more information about all of these buildups. Thanks, and remember, it's always a great day in the millwork business.